Package is from freeup app. So guys, if you don't know about freeup app, I made a lot of videos regarding this freeup app. So guys, in the short note, a freeup app is similar to OLX where you can buy or sell your items which is not essential. So guys, I was having almost 1600 coins in my freeup app. So what I did is I bought this package from coins. I bought most of the product from the coins itself, not in the cash. And you can see the package of the product is well done. And yeah guys, in the freeup app you'll get a new items, also you'll get old used item also. You can go and check whether it's new or it's old, and then you can check out. So guys, you can use my referral code which is placed on the screen while you are signing up in freeup app. If you use my referral code, you'll get 300 coins for free, and also I'll get 100 coins plus for free. And yeah, finally here is the product. So all these products which I got is from coins, as I said to you before. The first one I got is this cylinder trolley. Let me remove this first. With this product I also bought other two as a combo. The next thing I got is this ABS plastic stylish spoons, and I got this for 450 coins. It is pack of 10 and it is stylish too. Since I was having coins, what I thought is let me buy this also as a combo. And yeah guys, whatever the stuff you buy in the coins, you need to pay only the delivery fee, not a individual cash price. If you buy in the cash, then the delivery charge will be also applicable. Since I'm purchasing this in the coin, so only delivery fee has to pay. And this is a sketch pen, and I think I got this for only 90 coins, and it's all new. All the products are new. Since it was essential, I thought to buy this also. The next thing I got is this 10 ball pens, and I got this for 221 coins. Totally I have spent 1461 coins. For 1461 coins I paid 140 delivery fee. That's it. For individual trolley only it cost around 199 rupees. I think definitely what to buy in this freeup app. If you haven't installed the freeup app, just go and check it out once. And thank you so much friends.